I'm back at Grand Central to see if the phones here come back to life. There are basically only two candidates for phones that could likely be brought back to life. And one of this is going to be awkward because there's somebody standing right next to it. I hate when that happens. I don't know why it's going to be awkward. Nothing doing. Although I'll wait a few seconds. No light on the TTY either. That was the station master's office, and didn't look like the station master was on the job today. So we'll go downstairs. If that one's not fixed, I don't think the other one's going to be either, but what the hell, I'm here, right? So checking in again on the downstairs one, which is the last dial tone that there was in the whole entire terminal. Silence beckons. I did this last time, but I'll do it again anyway. This is a wall where there used to be 12 in a row. One of them had to be lowered to the ground for American with Disabilities Act compliance. This lower level, there was a scene from the movie Hackers where there used to be a bunch of full-size phone booths, and there was some sort of psychedelic scene in that movie, which I haven't watched in ages, but there should just be hundreds of phones in this terminal. So someday maybe we'll have dial tone again. I don't know. I didn't think these... when I said earlier, when I was at the station master's phone, I said I waited several seconds. That's because, as I learned with the West 4th Street phone, sometimes dial tone can take a while to pick up if there's a weak battery. But nothing happened this time.